Hey makers, welcome back to Hub360 Embedded Sphere, your favorite stop for IoT and embedded projects. In today's build, we are creating a smart motion activated security camera using the ESP-32 cam and a PIR motion sensor. Whenever motion is detected, the camera automatically captures a photo and saves it to the SD card. No Wi-Fi, no server, just local storage. Let's dive in and build this mini surveillance system. Components used are ESP-32 cam module with OV2640 camera, we have a PIR motion sensor, a MicroSD card, a FTDI programmer, 5V power supply or USB cable, and jumper wires. Connections. First, we start by connecting the PIR sensor to the ESP-32 cam. First, connect the VCC of the PIR sensor to the 5V on the ESP-32 cam. Next, connect the ground of the PIR sensor to the ground of the ESP. Next, connect the ground of the PIR sensor to the ground of the ESP-32 cam. Next, connect the out pin of the PIR sensor to the GPIO13 pin of the ESP-32 cam. Now move on to connecting the FTDI to the ESP-32 cam. First, connect the RX pin of the FTDI to the ESP-32 cam TX pin, which is the use UOT. First, we start by connecting the RX pin of the FTDI to the ESP-32 cam UOT pin. Next, connect the TX pin of the FTDI to the ESP-32 cam UOR pin. Next, connect the VCC pin of the FTDI to the VCC of the ESP-32 cam. Finally, connect the ground of the FTDI to the ground of the ESP-32 cam. Note, when you want to program your ESP-32 cam, connect the GPIO0 pin of the ESP-32 cam to ground. Make sure your PIR sensor is powered properly. It may take 30 to 60 seconds to stabilize before it starts detecting motion. For the memory SD card slot to ESP-32 cam, the SD card is already connected internally through the ESP-32 cam board. Pins are managed by the SDMMC library. Just ensure your memory card is inserted and formatted as FAT32 before powering up. For the power supply, connect 5V from your adapter to the FTDI to the 5V pin of the ESP-32 cam. Always provide at least 2 amp currents for stable camera operation. Let's break down the code step by step. First, include library. These handle camera initialization and SD card file operations. The PIR motion sensor output is connected to GPIO13 pin. If triggers a hardware interrupt whenever motion is detected. This is for the camera initialization. The function configures the camera pins, sets image resolution, and adjusts settings like brightness, contrast, white balance, exposure control. We are using frame size UXGA for high quality photos stored as JPEGs. This is for the SD card initialization. This initializes the SD card in 1-bit mode for reliable operation on the ESP-32 CAM. The system checks if an SD card is inserted, its type, that's MMC or SDHC, and total storage capacity. For capturing and saving images, this particular function, the capture and save, detects when motion is detected. Thus, the ESP-32 captures a photo frame buffer, generates a file name like motion_1.jpg or motion_2. This writes into the SD card, then releases the memory for the next capture. A short photo delay of 5 seconds ensures that the camera does not capture too frequently during continuous motion. This is the motion detection interrupt. This line tells the ESP-32 to instantly react if the PIR sensor output goes high, meaning motion has been detected. Now for the setup function, when the system starts, the PIR sensor needs a 30-second stabilization period to avoid false triggers. After this, it's ready for reliable motion detection. This is the main loop. In the main loop, the loop constantly checks for the motion detected flag set by the interrupt. If enough time has passed since the last capture, a new image is taken and saved automatically. Power the ESP-32 CAM and open the serial monitor at 115200 baud rates. Wait for the messages confirming camera initialized, SD card mounted, PIR sensor ready. When motion is detected, you will see motion detected capturing photo saved motion1.jpg. Remove the SD card and check on your PC. You will find all captured photos stored with the timestamps in sequence. You have built a motion-activated camera system using the ESP-32 CAM, PIR sensor, and SD card storage. This system automatically detects motion, captures high-resolution photos, saves them locally without needing Wi-Fi. It's perfect for DIY security cameras, wildlife monitoring, or smart doorbell systems. All components are available at hub360.com.ng. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe so you don't miss out next videos. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating. This is Hub360 Embedded Sphere, helping you bring your ideas to life.